Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add sales tax to FreshBooks. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to open up your FreshBooks account, which of course I've done right here. Now, the next thing is, how can you create an account on FreshBooks? First, launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type freshbooks.com. That's going to walk you right into the official website for FreshBooks. Once you get into the website, just follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account. And of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on FreshBooks. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to add sales tax in FreshBooks. Now, I'd like you to head over to the left navigation panel of this home screen where you have dashboard, clients, estimates, invoices, payments, expenses, projects, time tracking, accounting, reports, and all the way down to settings. Now, go ahead and click on invoice. Now, you can add a tax to invoice. You can add a tax to all that other income. You can also add a tax to expenses. So let's say we're using invoice. So head over to invoice and click on new invoice. So once you do that, go ahead and add the image right for the invoice, and then build to select your client. After selecting your client, head over to description and click on add a line. So in this other line, you have to enter an item. You have to enter an item, all right, that is in the sales report. So after doing that, after entering the item, head over here to where you have rate and click on add taxes. Now over here, enter the rate, the percentage of the sales tax, and enter the sales tax name. All right, the tax name of the sales tax, put that in, and then the tax number of the sales tax, put that in. Once you do that, go ahead and click on apply taxes. After clicking on apply taxes, go ahead and fill out the order necessary information, and once you're done, go ahead and click on save, and your sales tax will definitely be saved. So that's pretty much how you can add sales tax in FreshBooks using the invoice. I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.